Investors at the Nairobi Securities Exchange will be unable to trade in shares for franchise products retailer Deacons East Africa for the next 40 days following suspension of the Capital Markets Authority. The move by the regulator follows appointment of joint administrators by Deacons East Africa's board, coming against the backdrop of the company's deteriorating financial position. The retailer posted a loss of 229 million shillings in the 6 months ending June this year, a 27% increase from the same period a year earlier. Deacons East Africa's share closed Thursday's trade at 45 cents, pointing at an 87% loss of value for investors who have held the counter since the start of January. This development adds to the list of listed companies placed under administration, with cement manufacturers Athi River Mining having been placed under administration in August 2018.